Make a great choice today with the 2018 Chevrolet Trax. The Trax is tiny on the outside, but remarkably spacious within. It comes with clean and modern interiors and is priced below $15,000. This vehicle has less than 15,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, brake assist, remote keyless entry, front license plate bracket, front wheel independent suspension, four-wheel disc brakes, rear window defroster, rear window wiper, low tire pressure warning, power windows. Your new ride is just a phone call away.